I'm here.
In the land of Uz lived a man named Job, righteous, faithful, and deeply blessed. He had a loving family, great wealth, and honor among men. The Bible says Job was blameless and upright, one who feared God and shunned evil. But then came the test. In a single day, Job lost his wealth, his servants, and even his children. Still, he fell to the ground and worshipped, saying, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." His faith did not break. Days turned into weeks as Job's body was covered in sores. His friends came to comfort him, but only accused him of sin. Job cried out in anguish, asking, "Why has this happened to me, Lord?" Yet his heart still sought God's truth. Then God spoke from the whirlwind, revealing his power and wisdom. "Where were you when I laid the earth's foundation?" Job humbled himself before the Almighty, understanding that God's ways are beyond human reason. In the end, God restored Job's fortune, doubling his blessings and surrounding him with peace. His story reminds us that faith tested by fire shines brighter than gold. Please, if you find these uplifting, do subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.